Electric Scooter Replacement Battery 2000W. The electric scooter replacement battery 2000W is an essential component that powers your electric scooter, giving it the performance boost it needs. Whether you're upgrading or replacing a worn-out battery, choosing the right battery can make a significant difference in both the power and longevity of your scooter. In this article, we'll explore the key features, benefits, and installation tips for electric scooter replacement battery 2000W options. Understanding the 2000W electric scooter battery. The 2000W electric scooter battery provides enhanced power, making it suitable for scooters that require a higher output. This type of battery is designed to support longer distances and faster speeds. The key specifications to consider include voltage, amp-hour, rating, and the overall battery type, which is usually a lithium-ion battery for its efficiency and durability. Features of a 2000W electric scooter battery. When shopping for an electric scooter replacement battery 2000W, here are some key features to keep in mind. Power output. 2000 watts of power provides high performance for fast acceleration and steep inclines. Battery capacity. Look for batteries with high amp-hour ratings, ensuring long-range rides without frequent recharging. Voltage. Typically, 2000W batteries come in 48 volts or 60 volts variants, offering compatibility with different scooter models. Battery type. Most high-performance batteries are made from lithium-ion, providing longer life, lightweight design, and fast charging capabilities. Benefits of a 2000W electric scooter replacement battery. Upgrading or replacing your electric scooter's battery with a 2000W option offers several advantages. Increased speed. The higher wattage allows the scooter to reach higher speeds, making your commute quicker. Longer range. The added power extends the scooter's range, allowing for longer trips without needing to recharge frequently. Durability. Lithium-ion batteries are known for their durability, offering more charge cycles and a longer lifespan compared to other types. Eco-friendly. Electric scooters are already a greener alternative to traditional vehicles, and using a high-performance battery like this further reduces your carbon footprint.